Welcome back everyone to this week's episode. My name is Noah Ward, your Sarasota real estate agent. If you have been watching our YouTube channel for a little bit now, you know that all we do is focus on new construction around Sarasota and also real estate development, specifically in the Northport area, as you've been seeing in the most recent videos. So I decided this week we're going to change it up a little bit and share with you a house tour of this brand new construction community called Artistry, located just east of I-75 here in Sarasota. It is built by Kolter Homes, and as you can see here, this is a little bit different of a tract home builder. So they also prioritize the depth of the lot. The depths of the lots are a lot bigger than your typical tract home builder that you see here in Sarasota. And also the width between the two houses are a lot further apart compared to your traditional tract house builder, which is between 12 to 15 feet apart from each house. So that's what I really like about Kolter. Not only that, but they have a very modern spin on this. Like as you can see here, right behind me, we are going to be checking out the Renoir Model, which is a side loading garage. Two bedrooms. It has the option to have a third bedroom added, but also 2.5 baths and about 2,800 square feet in total. But overall, we will throw up a map here of where Artistry is specifically located, but also throw up some footage here of the overall community, and you'll see how it's all laid out, right? A lot of these lots are all on water, and that's kind of what they prioritize, is all these houses being on water. So you have some sort of water feature to look at behind your house besides another house directly right behind you. So that's another feature I like about Artistry. Plus they have an amazing clubhouse, state-of-the-art fitness center, and so much more. So before we jump in and share with you this house tour, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, ultimately that is our team's specialty, is helping out-of-state buyers just like yourselves make the move as smooth as possible. So in order to do that, what I've done is create a buyer's relocation guide specifically for the Sarasota area. And this is going to include like the top restaurants, the best places to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, top 10 things to do in Sarasota, where to stay when you're here in Sarasota for vacation, best hotels, and so much more, kind of coming from a Sarasota resident's perspective so that you guys kind of know what Sarasota is like before you even step foot here in Sarasota. So with all that being said, let's go and check out this house model. This new construction community is located just east of I-75, and it is not your typical new construction community you will find here in Sarasota. So here at Artistry, you will find that nearly every house has a gorgeous water view, and on top of that, the houses are situated on lots that are extra wide and extra long, unlike a lot of these tract home builders you will see here in Sarasota. So if you want to build a little bit bigger of a pool, or maybe you want a fenced-in yard for your furry family member, these lots definitely are capable of doing so. So this Renoir floor plan that we are going to be looking at today has a lot of different options that you can choose with this floor plan, including adding a 4-car garage and also adding a 3-bedroom, because standard in this floor plan is going to be a 2-bedroom. So with this model, what is my favorite part is the dedicated club room that you will see here. It's perfect for those Sunday football games and also your weekend get-togethers with friends and family. What I like about this floor plan and all these other floor plans here at Artistry is that they really prioritize, your open concept living and your entertainment area. Not only that, but they also have very spacious sized bedrooms. So you get a little bit of the best of both worlds, having great entertainment, but also having a little bit more size in the bedrooms, unlike a lot of these tract home builders you will see here in Sarasota. So now that you know a little bit of an overview, sit back and enjoy this home tour of the Renoir model, and we will catch up with you at the end. So as we wrap up this house tour of the Renoir model, if you guys have any questions about this house or even the artistry community in general, we are more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. And also, if you are looking to move into the Sarasota area, don't forget to check out our free guide that we have in the description down below so that you guys can learn more about the Sarasota area without even having to book a flight to visit. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the Renoir model, and we will see you guys all next week on our upcoming video.